Are you struggling because of relationship issues and are you on the verge of a breakdown? Have you also at times thought about taking some extreme steps like killing yourself? Well, in that case, think again. Are you thinking coherently and objectively about your problems? Have you explored and exhausted various options to find an amicable solution rather than planning to run away from the problems? If this is your situation, then you are not alone. Almost every adult in this world has been into one or more relationships. Some of those relationships survived, others did not. Some people experienced most beautiful phase of their lives during their relationships, while others faced very troubled times. Whatever was the experience, what is important is that they all took decision. Whether it was a decision to continue relationship if they enjoyed mutually or discontinue and move on with their lives to pursue their individual interests and goals. This happens with everyone including common people like us as well as world's richest people like Gates and Bezos. Even they have recently divorced. There is nothing wrong or unique in a relationship losing its charm and falling apart. When that happens, taking decision helps in such matters to find solution, not running away from the problem or taking some extreme step. Remember, your life is meant to enjoy living in this beautiful, lively world rather than suffering with things that are no more working for you. So rather than being gloomy, cheer up and look beyond. You are fully capable of resolving your problems either yourself or, if necessary, by taking help of people and institutions around you. Take the case of Deepak, for example. He met Varsha 6 months back. Both liked each other and fell in love even before they could plan their future. Today, after 6 months of being in relationship, Varsha has a sense of fatigue. She can clearly see that it was more of a physical infatuation than love that pushed her into relationship. Deepak is not the kind of person she would like to spend rest of her life with. She has spoken a couple of times with Deepak about her decision to end the relationship. On other hand, this was a shocker for Deepak. He could not even think of ending this relationship. He has become more of a loner these days, does not find much interest in things that he used to love, and is getting paranoid about Varsha getting married with some other person. He has stopped going to his work and would often spend days sitting alone inside his home. It is a typical case with many in our society. In this case, it is Deepak who is suffering with pain of dejection, but it could also have been Varsha. In other words, it may happen with anyone, be it a boy or girl. They find themselves staring at this undesirable situation. By being in a state of denial, some of them end up being depressed for a long time, losing their career and happiness, while others take extreme steps of either committing crime or ending their life. The problem is none of these solutions bring them or their family members a pleasant outcome. The only outcome is pain and suffering that is more intense and long lasting than their 6 months failed relationship. If Varsha wants to quit, Deepak can ask her for a time to discuss the matter with her and see if there is anything he can do to change her mind. If he does not see this helping, he should respect her decision and move on. Maybe quitting at this stage is much less messier than separating at later stage of life. It may also give him a chance to introspect and evaluate his life's purpose, other opportunities, and take decision about other important aspects of his life. It may be a chance for him to find a better soulmate. At the same time, he would also prove himself to be a better person by letting Varsha pursue her life as per her desire. See, there can be so many positive outcomes, but they will be realized only if Deepak makes an honest effort to explore them rather than sitting in the darkness of his room with dark thoughts in his mind, fretting about his loss and thinking as if his life has no better purpose. Instead, if he faces the situation bravely and works out sincerely to find a solution, there is nothing that can stop him. So you too don't have to prove to be a weak person. If your partner or wife or husband wants to part ways, let him or her go their own way. There would be issues that you too may have to deal with, be it financial issues, child custody, alimony, property matters, etc. Such matters will always be there. Sometimes your partner may also use these factors to harass you. But don't feel intimidated. You have done nothing wrong and there is no reason to get scared, paranoid, and committing something illegal that would haunt you and your family for entire life. Instead, talk to your well-wishers, whether they are your family members, your friend, your office colleague, or your teacher. You should also consider taking legal advice, as sometimes that is absolutely helpful and give you clarity on doing things in better way to avoid future troubles. At the same time, don't be selfish, mean and vindictive. Neither you nor your partner should think about winning in this story by harming the other person and teaching him or her a lesson. The moment you start thinking in that slippery direction, your never ending fall starts. You both have to think to be a facilitator. Both will have to make some compromise and give up on a few things to get what you each are wishing for. Such events are not pleasant for anyone, but they don't have to be quarrelsome, combative, painful, or sad. By open minded discussion and negotiation, yielding on some issues, and taking necessary counseling to protect yourself from future harm, you can come out of this situation as a better and more learned person. So don't be sad, don't give up. You have a life that you must enjoy. The situation you are facing is just temporary and it would pass very soon. Face the challenge, prepare to sacrifice, seek guidance, and act like a sensitive, caring person. There is a beautiful life that is waiting for you with many more pleasant surprises. So don't quit. Not yet. Have a good health and a great life.